This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
In life, the way you look at the world shapes how the world sees you. When you choose to see hope, goodness, and love, these things will also appear in your life. Be kind to the world, and kindness will return to you. Once, in the quiet shadow of green mountains, there was an ancient village called Qingmei. It was said that Qingmei's rivers softly whispered secrets about true happiness to those who listened carefully. Yet, not everyone could hear this gentle song. In this village lived a young woman named Leah. Her heart was bright like the morning sun, but she felt restless inside. Leah believed happiness was somewhere far away, waiting for her in big cities or distant beaches. Every day, as the sun rose over the green rice fields, Leah dreamed of leaving her simple home. The older villagers shook their heads and said wisely, "Happiness is closer than your own breath, Leah." But Leah did not understand their words. She felt trapped and bored by her quiet life. One sunny morning, a wise Zen master came to Qingmei. People spoke of his great wisdom, and Leah, filled with hope and curiosity, quickly went to see him. "Master," Leah asked sincerely, "is happiness waiting for me in faraway places? Can I ever be truly happy here?" The master looked at her gently. His eyes were calm and kind. He asked softly, "Before looking far away, first tell me, what do you see in this village, Leah?" She sighed deeply. "I see boredom. The same routine every day. People living simple, quiet lives without adventure or excitement. I see a place that keeps me stuck." The master nodded slowly. "If you only see boredom and limits, Leah, that is exactly what you will carry wherever you go." His words confused her, but before she could reply, he smiled gently and said, "Come, walk with me." Together, they walked through Qingmei. Slowly, the master helped her see the village with new eyes. They watched elders weaving baskets with hands made smooth by gentle, repeated movements. Each basket was made carefully, like a small work of art. "See how they focus on this very moment," the master whispered. "No future, no past, just now, just this breath." They walked along the riverside, and for the first time, Leah listened carefully to the sound of the water flowing over stones. Its joyful whispers brought tears to her eyes. She saw children laughing happily, as if each laugh was their first and last, completely enjoying every moment. The master gently pointed to them. Their happiness isn't about tomorrow or yesterday, it's only here, only now. As evening painted the sky in soft peach and golden colors, Leah felt a new wonder in her heart. Still unsure, she turned to the Zen master. "How can I always see life this way?" she asked quietly. He smiled warmly and gently placed a small flower in her hand. "This flower blooms today, fully and bravely. It doesn't wait for tomorrow's happiness. It completely embraces today. Do the same and joy will grow inside you." Leah looked at the flower and saw its delicate beauty clearly for the first time. Its fragrance filled her senses, and a warm feeling spread through her heart. She finally understood the master's lesson. True happiness wasn't far away. It was already there, in her own heart, waiting to be noticed. From that day, Leah began each morning fully enjoying every moment. She listened closely to the river's gentle song, treasured the villagers' smiles, and found beauty in simple, everyday things. She knew now that happiness lived always and only in the present. Soon, people from other places heard about Leah's change and visited Chiang Mai to learn about true happiness. Leah greeted each visitor with a flower, softly telling them, "Happiness blooms today." And so Chiang Mai became known not for wealth or adventure, but as the village that taught the greatest lesson of all. True happiness is not in chasing faraway dreams, but in embracing the beauty of now. If you enjoyed this short story and want more joy and wisdom in your life, please subscribe for more uplifting content. Let's enjoy the beauty of today together.